Settings. The first menu is Device. You will find in the first window the name of the device, the MDNS address to access to the device, and one important thing if you are using more than one device, that is the group ID. See Groups chapter to understand when to create different group ID or not. Comments is a free text field where you can add comments related to the installation or whatever you need. On the right top window, you have time and date adjustments. It's important to correctly adjust the time zone if you are using the NTP synchronization to keep your device on time. We also have here information related to Ecler Cloud. The switch activates the connection to Ecler Cloud. Once it's activated, the status will be a gray cloud, which means the device does not have internet connection or still does not belong to any organization. There will be a yellow cloud when the device is quarantined or still not accepted by the Ecler Cloud administrator, and online if the device belongs to an organization and it's been accepted. Here you will find the organization name and the last time the device could synchronize with Ecler Cloud, which happens every 5 seconds. There are two ways of adding VIDA to Ecler Cloud: entering the organization ID in the VIDA device or adding a device in Ecler Cloud with the corresponding device ID. The last information of this section is the firmware URL. In the boot up window, you can reboot, restore factory defaults, or set up the boot up mode. There are two modes. Remember that will remember the parameters and settings the device had before turning it off or losing the mains, and load, that will load a preset when you turn it on back again. If you select Restore, a confirmation window will appear. Keep in mind that the network parameters are restored as well, so it might happen that you lose connection to the device.